Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chip. I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors and integrated turn signals, roof rails, and deep tinted glass. It's a combination of features, passenger space, and everyday utility warrant a closer look if you're shopping for a smaller SUV. This RAV4 has 17-inch super chrome alloy wheels and all-season tires with a lot of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition and has an auto-off projection beam, halogen daytime running headlights, also with fog lights, and a really nice chrome accent and grille with an iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine with automatic transmission. The RAV4 has all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that the drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this RAV4 has only 18,370 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler, and rear wiper, along with a large brake light and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover, durable floor mat, concealed storage and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that the RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold flat armrest with cup holders as well as seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice leatherette upholstered dashboard and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable with adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the power door locks, and auto lock, and power window with driver 1 touch up and down. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the power tilting sliding moonroof. This touchscreen display is home to your Intune multimedia feature and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatibility, and you can easily connect devices using the USB port and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discount pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.